Hello friends, today we have an interesting and a rare problem because I've never seen it before. We have our deadlock here turning but not actually making a difference in unlocking the door. If you want to go and sit there to see that this doesn't move. So this turns freely, as you can see, but it doesn't really move the plunger. So effectively this door is locked. So we are going to try and fix it. I've never done this repair, so we are going to try it together and see how it goes. So let's commence. Thank you. So we start by removing the two screws that hold the plate onto the door. These are usually long screws. I should have gotten the power drive, because they're usually very, very long screws that go all the way through. Alright, now with the plate off, we can look at the mechanism here. That fell outside, which is what we wanted it to do. Alright,
I will.
can you see? There is a little lever here that you simply move with a screwdriver, and as you can see, the plunger has moved. So now the door is open, and we're going to proceed to remove the strike plate. Should be fairly short screws actually. Okay. Need to cut through the paint here. Where is the other screwdriver? You have the flathead?
I don't have any.
You can stop for a moment. Here. With the screws removed, we can now remove the mechanism, which is broken, so we're not going to reuse it. We had already purchased, before this failure happened, a new mechanism to make it a keyless entry. So we're going to use this opportunity to install the keyless entry instead of replacing it with the same style. So this is the new keyless entry mechanism. And we'll need chisels. We need to open this, and we need to enlarge the space a little bit. We also need to move this external. This should fall off. Nothing is holding it.
Don't hit my hand.
I don't know if you saw this elegant maneuver, but this was simply held by paint, so it was a fairly easy thing to take out. But that also had to be removed. Okay, stop. Down.
I want you to speak.
Our new plate is actually slightly bigger than our old one, so we need to save a little bit on the top, otherwise it will not sit flush. To do that, we're going to use a Dremel tool. Okay. Let's see if it's did it or not. Oh, we need more. You think it cut enough?
I don't know. Let's check it.
Yeah, I think so. Yep. Okay, this seems to be enough. So now we need to position this. All right, excellent. Where is the... This is the outside. This is our inside. This will go up here. So the way this will work, we have to work from the outside first, it looks like. We need to secure the new plate to the door. Is it more fast now than your hand?
Yeah.
And now we're going to continue the installation by starting from the outside and moving back in. Okay, the big screw should come through. Well, they come from inside out. Okay. Can I have the screwdriver, please? Now the difference with this is that this plate usually is not applicable for normal application, and you wouldn't have a wire, but this, being a keyless entry, requires an electrical connection, and this plate. Right, I don't want to completely secure it because I don't know. Yeah, you see, I'm not sure about that yet. Does it move?
It is rotating a little bit as
Can
you...
it go down or?
No, it doesn't go down.
Okay. It shouldn't rotate at all. Can I take the key and see if it works? It won't work. Okay, we have a problem. We have a problem. Use the key for a moment. Okay, stop. Somehow this is This has to be a little up. See, this is there, so it doesn't allow it to turn.
Maybe. Okay, maybe.
Do we have to bend that and be on the top there?
It doesn't say anything about bending it.
All right. All right. Can I have the other two screws to redo this? Let it go.
Okay.
So the outside part is out. Of course, we have to retouch paint, honey, because this is smaller.
I understand. That's not a worry right now. Worried about the door.
Good cats. Can you use the key and see if it works? After I finish with this. Okay. It's not dropping anywhere, right? Okay. It's easy. Does it feel easy? Okay.
It's easy.
All right. Next step.
I have to take him.
Did you see the colors? Is it in? Mm-hmm. All right. Bloopers. So we used two screws here. That was the purpose of the plate we used before. But it's not the right screw.
It's the same one.
How it is. Guess it wasn't straight. And let's test the door again. It works fine from inside. Well, you know where the keys are?
She may have them in her hand. Or her pocket or something. Oh, they're there.
Okay. Now let's see the putting proof. Okay, let's see what it's hitting. It's hitting bottom here, so we need to remove this and use its own. Who did this? There are not supposed to be 100 screws here. Hey, honey.
She went back outside.
That's a screw.
You'd have been there for days trying to take it out with a screwdriver.
I might use it actually for that other one. Even with the strike plate out, we cannot lock the door, which means we have to enlarge the opening before we put our strike plate. This specific door has actually a metal rod going all the way up and down that makes it more secure. So it does not depend on the wood or on the metal plate for security. As you can see, this is a substantial piece of metal that goes all the way up and down the door. Okay, try it. Sorry. Let me go outside, that's right. It worked fine,
It
right?
did work.
So this is the finished product from inside, and let us go outside. And this is how it looks outside. So not only we replace a broken lock, but we also upgraded the house to a wireless entry, so we do not need to worry about keys. And our project is complete. I hope you enjoyed this latest episode of the Garage Woodworker. If you did, please hit the like button. If you didn't, you know what to do. Please share, subscribe, and comment, and we will see you soon with another video.